that are the last who've had to make food to eat. There was no choice in the matter. And I thought, no one is filming them. No one is making a record of their skills. Italy, everybody thinks that their nonna is the best cook in their family. Of course, in 20 years' time, what nonna will be cooking will be very different to what is cooked today. Pasta making is dying out, it's changing. It stopped being a domestic skill and it's becoming a commercial skill, it's becoming a hobby. Sometimes we can't find them anymore because people have stopped making them. Sometimes we discover pastas that are the same but they have a different name.